Hello students, let's understand the concept of terminal voltage. When the cell is in discharging condition, then some EMF is dropped because of its internal resistance. Let us consider a cell. We have a cell of EMF E and its internal resistance is small r. So when the cell is in discharging condition, then the actual EMF does not appears along the terminals of battery. So some EMF is get dropped because of this internal resistance of cell. So the terminal potential difference will be somewhat less than this EMF. And how much it less? It less is IR. So that this drop is because of internal resistance. The terminal voltage equal to EMF minus internal resistance. So after understanding this point, let us move on to the question we have here. So in this question we have two EMF sources having EMF R and internal resistance R1, and second cell of EMF E and the internal resistance is R2, and the internal resistance of second cell is greater than the internal resistance of first cell, and these both cells are connected to external resistance R, and the potential difference, it is given in the question that the potential difference across R1 is 0. It means along this cell the terminal voltage is 0. It is given that at this cell the terminal voltage is 0. So it is given that if we connect a voltmeter here, the reading of voltmeter is 0. It means the terminal voltage or along this cell is 0. So for this we have to find out the current in the circuit. So as these two cells are connected in series, so EMF will become 2E. The net EMF will become 2E, and the total resistance will become R1 plus R2 plus R. So the current will become 2E upon R1 plus R2 plus R. So if this is the current, then what will be the terminal voltage across this cell? So terminal voltage will become EV equal to E minus IR1, because and it is given in the question that this potential difference is 0. So it will become 0 equal to E minus I. What is the value of I? I is we have found out here. I is 2E upon R1 plus R2 plus R and into R1, and it is given that this value is 0. So after solving this, we get, if we shift it here to, then it is of negative sign, it will become positive here. So 2E R1 upon R1 plus R2 plus R will become equal to E, and this E will cancel out by this. So we got 2R1, and after cancelling out it will become 1, and this will get multiplied with this one. It will become R1 plus R2 plus R. So this value will become, we have to, in this question we have to find out the value of capital R. So this will become 2R1 minus R1 minus R2 equal to R. So this we will get R1 minus R2 equal to R. So this is the required value of external resistance R1 minus R2. Thank you.